Alright guys, back again. We've got Jason C here with 4 boxes. 2013 Bowman Jumbo Baseball, here live on Blowout TV. Alright Jason, again, appreciate the order, buddy. Good luck. Got it, Alex. Here we go, pack 1. Alright, Courtney Hawkins, Bowman Top 100. Ryan Howard, Paper Blue, number 470 of 500. Base in that pack. Aaron Hicks, Bowman Top 100 Prospects. And the first autograph is Alan Henson. Alright, we've got a Blue Wave Mini, Trace Thompson. Numbered 197 of 250. Cutchin reprint. And base. Alright, row 2. A refractor of Jorge Bonifacio. That one is 35 of 500. Autograph, Dorsis Paulino, base version. Paper Orange, Joe Mauer, number 97 of 250. Paper Blue of Raul Ibanez, 445 of 500. And a Paco Rodriguez base autograph. The last pack. Finish up with base. Alright, that is box number 1. Box 2. Paper Blue of Yonder Alonso, 246 of 500. See blue. A Todd Kirby blue refractor. That one is 220 of 250, and right behind that is a Roman Quick base autograph. Now we need some color ink. All base in that pack. All right, top 100, Anthony Rendon. And a Gregory Polanco base autograph. Base. Warren Spahn reprint. All right, into the first half, box 2. Second half. A Jackie Bradley Jr. Bowman 100. And Evan Rutchick. Black Refractor, Yankees, 25 of 99. Red Ice. Nice, Mitch Ney. That one is 11 of 25. Mariano Rivera, reprint. Base. And a Ronnie Rodriguez refractor autograph. That one is 220 of 500. And last pack, box 2. Got a printing plate, 1 of 1, Buster Posey, nice. Very nice. All right, Jason, that'll do it for box 2. I'll be right back to do part 2 of your breaks, 3 and 4, right after this. Later.